Just like I have been saying, the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy you guys need to learn in order for you to make profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, I use the same trend trading strategy to analyze the Paynex 999 yesterday, and we were able to clear out all the TPs highlighted in the Telegram channel. Okay, this is so amazing. Quite a lot of people made a lot of profit from that single signal. Okay, and of course, if you are not in the Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Okay, because apart from my video training, I also drop free signals within the Telegram channel. You can check the description box or the comment section for the link, okay, so that you can also benefit from this. Okay, so we will be checking out the trend trading strategy right here in this video, and we will be checking them out on each of these assets, which I will be showing you in this video, and you're going to see how beautiful this trend trading strategy is. Learn it so that you can always have profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said yesterday, we actually analyzed this asset, this particular asset called Paynex 999. This is 15-minute time frame. So this is a long trading opportunity for us. Okay, and I dished out some profit, gave us an uptrend signal. You can see the yellow color. It means that it is an uptrend signal, and of course a single order around there, so which means it's going to buy, okay, most especially once it breaks out above this. And of course guys, it bought till it got to the end of the trend. You can see it at the top right there. You can imagine you being in the market right from here to this very end. That's so amazing. This is 51 candles, and of course guys, this is about 96,633 points. That's a lot of profit if you are to calculate it. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. So right now it has gotten to the resistance zone, so it has not been able to break out from there, so it is selling right now, and it's going to sell. I expect it to get to this region back. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it will sell more till it gets to the support zone, okay, which is somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important for you to know. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the trend trading strategy on this particular asset right now. Okay, now let's check out other asset. This is gain x 1200. So just like you can see, GainX 1200 is also following the trend trading strategy. Okay, you can see from the support zone, it gave us an uptrend signal, but for a while had a pullback, but went back up to break out above that point, that resistance point, and of course, it has been selling since then. I mean, it has been buying since then. There are pullbacks in between, which means even if a particular asset is on a particular trend, it does not mean there won't be pullback at all. Okay, so there will be pullback, but it will be more of an uptrend than the other way around, than a downtrend. Okay, and of course, each time there is a pullback, you always have another entry point for you to get into the market. Just the way we are seeing this. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. Now let's move on to GainX 999. This is GainX 999. You can see the trend trading strategy is also working right here. This actually came down till it got to this support zone. Tried to buy for a while, but it didn't go too far before having another pullback to the support region. This time around, it went up, and if you should notice, it is giving us a W pattern. And of course, it broke out above that point, above the resistance point at this region. Okay, and of course, to give us more buying opportunity. So as you can see, it is still buying right now. Now let's move on to Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on uptrend for the last 2 days, and it got to this resistance zone. So right now it is selling at the moment. Okay, it has switched the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it is more of a selling opportunity. So you guys can also take advantage of this right from there. We've discussed about Paynex 999 at the beginning. So this is how beautiful the trend trading strategy is. So if you learn it, you will always get it right. Okay, you definitely get it right, and it will help you to increase your profitability level whenever you are trading. Okay, so it's just about you understanding your trend when your trend is changing, and also understanding the support and the resistance zone. By doing this, you will be milking the market almost all the time. Okay, so this is how beautiful it is. So you guys can take advantage of the opportunity right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.